everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Karthik and we are Softrix, a Google Premium partner providing SEO, PPC, SMM and web development services in India for clients worldwide. With 15 years of experience, we are here to help succeed online. If you need any of our services, please contact us through the provided contact information or visit our website. Today we are sharing an exciting case study on how we helped a dance school in New York City increase their student enrollments and brand awareness. So let's dive into this. Market trends 2024. Dance school industry in New York City is booming in 2024. There's a growing demand for dance classes for kids and adults. Parents want their kid to join dance classes and adults are looking for dance as a fun way to exercise. This means there are many dance schools competing for attentions, making digital marketing more important than ever. So in terms of the client background, our client is a well-known dance school in New York City offering classes in ballet, jazz, tap, contemporary and hip hop for all ages. Despite their great reputation, they struggled to fill their classes and felt overshadowed by newer, more tech-savvy competitors. How the client found us? The client discovered us through our informative video on YouTube while searching for a new digital marketing agency. Impressed by our expertise, they decided to contact us to improve their Google ad strategy. So the issue with the previous agency, the client had worked with another agency but was unhappy with the results. The main problem were poor keyword targeting. The previous agency targeted the wrong keywords leading to low quality traffic. Secondly, insufficient ad spend. Much of the budget was wasted on ads that didn't even perform well. Thirdly, lack of local targeting. Ads were not effectively reaching local people. Fourth, minimal tracking and reporting. The client didn't have clear insights into how their campaigns were performing as there was no clear reporting to the clients. So the R strategy, detailed account review. We started with a detailed review of the client's existing Google ad account to find areas of improvements. Firstly, keyword optimization. High intent keywords. We focus on high intent keywords like dance classes, New York, ballet classes for kids and adult hip hop classes. Secondly, negative keywords. As we know how important negative keywords are. So we use negative keywords to filter out all irrelevant traffic and reduce wasted spend right from the start of the campaigns. Add creative improvements. Engaging ad copy. We created ad copy that highlighted the school's unique features like free trial classes, experienced instructors and state-of-art facilities and other unique selling points. We used high quality images and video showing dance classes and happy students. So local targeting, geo targeting, we targeted specific neighborhoods in New York to attract local students. Demographic targeting, we targeted ads to parents of young children, teens interested in dance and adults looking for fitness classes. Budget optimizations, automated bidding. We used automated bidding to get the most conversion while staying within the budget. Performance monitoring, we regularly checked ad performance and made adjustments to ensure the best results. Conversion tracking and reporting, we set up conversion tracking to measure how well each campaign was doing. And the regular reportings, we provided detailed regular reports to the client showing improvements, key matrices and successes. So in terms of the results, after implementing our strategy, the clients saw great results. Increase in enrollments, the dance school had many new students enrollments, quickly filling up their classes. Through deep campaign optimization and strategic planning, we have significantly increased monthly conversions. Over 2 to 3 months of regular optimizations, we generated over 145 conversions with a CPA of just $18. Better local presence. Improved local targeting resulted in more quality leads from the New York area. Increased brand awareness. The dance school saw a rise in brand searches and overall online visibility. So in terms of conclusion, with a well-structured and data-driven Google Ads campaign, we helped our client in the dance school industry achieve their lead generation goals cost effectively. Our strategic approach combined with regular monitoring and optimizations ensured ongoing success in a competitive market. The client is very happy with the results and looks forward to continue partnership with us. If you want to achieve the similar results with your Google Ads campaigns, try these proven strategies to boost your marketing efforts. For a free audit or a proposal, contact us with your website URL, monthly budget and target locations. Please do like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more success stories and insights.